Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access General. Following that, choose About section at the top and then select Name. Finally, you can type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. Then, to save your new name, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my iPhone was successfully renamed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!